What if I told you there are specific YouTube niches that can earn you thousands of dollars every month by posting faceless YouTube videos that you can make using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 highest paying niches for YouTube automation channels and how you can get started on making these channels. If you're struggling to figure out which niche to choose, this video should help you figure that out. And it's so crucial to pick the right niche for you, as this decision can make or break your YouTube strategy. So before I get into the list, all the niches I mentioned in the video are high RPM. But some of you might be wondering what the difference between RPM and CPM is. Well, to keep it simple, CPM is the ad revenue both you and YouTube will make for every 1,000 views a video gets, whereas RPM is the ad venue you receive for every 1,000 views you get. And so, for us to make as much money as possible with our YouTube automation channel, it's essential to pick a high RPM niche. So let's get straight into our list. First up, we have the finance niche. This niche can have a varied RPM, which can range from $20 to $40 for every 1,000 views. And some finance channels have even hit $90 to $100 RPM. A great example of a channel in this niche is the Finance Storyteller. You can see here that in the last month, they got about 310,000 views. And if we take the minimum RPM standard for this niche, they would have made about $6,200. But I would bet that they're definitely making a lot more than that every month from aid revenue. And that's not even counting sponsorship deals, affiliate links, or digital products, which finance channels often have and sell at very high commission rates. The best part is how simple the videos are to make. You can see that all they do is prepare slides on PowerPoint or Google Sheets, and just add a voiceover educating their audience on finance. Next, we have the investing niche. This one's quite similar to finance, but has a few differences in that you'll be offering your advice on how to grow wealth through investing. Take Chris Invests as an example. This channel uses whiteboard animations to explain investing topics. They create visually appealing content that's super simple to create. You can just go to softwares like Doodly or VideoScribe and create videos on whatever topic you're talking about. In the last 30 days, they've gotten 250,000 views, which if you take that against a 10 to 20 RPM, you're looking at around about $4,000 on ad revenue alone. This niche is one of the easiest to make videos for, and is one of the most lucrative. Number 3, we have the Make Money Online niche, which is a crowd favorite. Channels like AI Guy and Digital Income Project are great examples of this. If you've ever had success with marketing agencies, e-commerce, YouTube automation, or any other online business models, this would be a great niche to get into. There's huge earning potential with an RPM of $10 to $15 per 1,000 views. But what makes this niche so great for creators is the potential of selling an online course and other digital products. If you've had success or had helped others become successful in making money online, there are hundreds of YouTubers who are making upwards of $50,000 every month selling digital products and affiliate links. At number 4, we have the motivational and success niches. This niche is very popular and has a huge audience looking for more content to watch along to and just keep in the background. It typically has very high video retention rates, as people like to keep the videos on in the background instead of directly watching them. This niche has an RPM of $4 to $15 per 1,000 views. And you can see from this channel here, Absolute Motivation. They have 1.2 million views in the last month. This would mean that they could be making anywhere from 3 for $15,000 every month, which is an insane return. And the videos are typically just cinematics of philosophers and stoic figures, or motivational clips of successful people giving insights to what makes them successful. They are very simple to make, but one consideration is that this niche is very competitive. So you would have to be a little different to stand out from the crowd. But if you can, it could be very lucrative for you. As you'll see from the list so far, a lot of them are related to money, success, and discipline. The reason for this is that advertisers are willing to pay more to get in front of an audience that are likely higher earners and more willing to spend on education and improving themselves. And that's why the RPMs are so high. And this applies to our next niche, which is crypto. Channels like Modern Investor focus on daily cryptocurrency news and forecasts. With an RPM ranging between $30 and $70, this niche can make you a load of money. As you can see from the channel, they got about 470,000 views last month. And given how easy it is to make the videos, by going over price graphs and scrolling crypto news outlets, whilst adding your voiceover on top, this channel likely makes upwards of $12,000 a month, which is insane. The sixth highest paying niche is tech. This is a great niche if you're someone who knows a lot about the latest technology and you have a real interest in it. People who are a lot less tech savvy are looking for reviews on products to know whether it's worth buying or not. But you also have very technical people who want to know about the latest tech. This is a great opportunity as the typical RPM range for this niche is $10 per 1,000 views. And looking at this channel, UFact Tech, they get about 2 million views per month on average, which would translate to about $20,000 a month. Another way that these channels make money is through sponsorships with the brands of the tech gadgets being reviewed, but also through affiliate links to good tech products that you'd recommend. Number 7, we have the business stories niche. This is a very cool niche to get into as you can learn about the stories of iconic business owners, whilst being able to use their name and face in your title and thumbnail. This will get you views much easier than any other niche, but it will be difficult as you should be a great storyteller and editor to create engaging videos, which will likely be half an hour long at least. You will have to create a lot of graphics, transitions, color gradings, and so on. But if you are great at creating engaging stories, this niche will make a lot of money with an RPM that can reach up to $70 per 1,000 views. An example channel doing this is Magnates Media, who average about 2.7 million views a month, racking up at least $180,000 every month. And finally, the last niche on this list is the luxury niche. This niche revolves around showing off luxury cars, watches, yachts, private jets, and the lifestyles of the rich and wealthy. Typical videos would be insiders into wealthy and famous people's lifestyles. These videos are mainly B-roll clips of the luxury lifestyle, which is super simple for anyone to create. And similar to the business stories niche, you can use the name and face of the famous person you're documenting on the title and thumbnail of your video to make it a lot easier to rack in the views. But when creating these videos, you'll ideally need iStock footage, which isn't free for anyone to use, as they'll have the clips you need to credit the video. But this investment will return if you stick to creating great content. And with an average RPM of $12, this channel here just started 1 year ago and already bring in around 200,000 views every month, which means they likely make around $2,500 per month, which is a crazy amount of money given that they've only posted 11 videos. And their last video was 8 months ago, which means they've been making passive income without making any content since January this year. And there you have it. Those are the 8 highest RPM niches for a YouTube automation channel. You might now be asking which one you should be picking. Well, I suggest you pick the niche that you find interesting, maybe you have some knowledge in, or that you have experience in. This will give you an advantage as you'll likely stick with posting videos more often and consistently, but also, you'll enjoy the process of making videos every month. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments which niche channel you plan on launching. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.